So in this video, we'll explore how to customize model outputs in Raven so you can extract the specific information needed for your analysis. Raven provides a flexible way to output custom variables on a daily, monthly, or annual basis. These can include water storage, snowpack, soil moisture, fluxes, and much more, and can be reported either by HRU, by subbasin, or in aggregated forms. So if we go and open our RVI file and scroll down to the bottom, we can add the following line to request monthly average snow storage broken down by HRU. So this tells Raven to generate a new output file that summarizes the average snow water equivalent SWE stored in the snow compartment for each HRU over each month of the simulation. So if we go ahead and save this, so Control S, and go back to our command prompt, if you press the up arrow, we are going to rerun our Raven model using the same executable as we did before. So if we press enter, and if we go back to our output folder, you should now see a file that says run 1 snow monthly average by HRU. So if we go ahead and open it up, you can see that each row corresponds to a time step, example, the end of each month, and each column corresponds to a unique HRU. You can now use this file to explore patterns in seasonal snow accumulation and melt. For example, we could plot monthly SWE time series for each HRU to see how snowpack evolves over the winter, or we can compare the timing of snowmelt between HRUs.